afuna ukwazi ukuthi kungani abantu abapoor and broke benza ama-financial decision are-terrible that eats them alive. Njengokuthi nje umuntu angathi go and opt for ama-unsecured loans azomkhokhisa u-50% noma u-60% irregardless. Umuntu poor and broke, ama-decisions akhe emali are very terrible. Hayi ukuthi ngoba nakho mhlampe umuntu obad when it comes to money. I-psychology lesikhuluma ngayo, yabo, ukusebenza kwengqondo, yindaba kwenzeke lokhu kwenziwa ukuthi uba kwi-state of survival. If umqondo wakho kwi-state of survival ukuthi how am I going to make the ends meet, ngizosurvive kanjani usuku lanamhlanje nosuku olulandelayo nosuku, umqondo wakho udropa by 13 points. Fana nokuthi you had one night of not sleeping. Indlela umqondo wakho obaphuwa ngayo when it comes to decision making, uyafeyila ukwakha ama-long term decisions are proper for your life. So you are concerned about the survival in the present moment. So that is why umthola ukuthi umuntu ukwi-situation vele imali ebhedayo kodwa umbone engena even more indaba inqondo yakhe ayisacabanga straight ngenxa lento engikhuluma ngayo ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani noma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona ngane yakwethu. Hayi ukuthi ngoba nakho ubheda kangako ezimalini, hayi ngoba nakho mhlambe awufundisekile yini. Ukungafundiseki vele ikona ukuthatha kwakubeka kuleso sigaba leso, ikona ukusithatha kusibeke esigabeni sokuthi simbe imigodi esingeke sisaphuma kuyo kwezezimali. I-financial literacy vele it's a cause, kodwa ke ukunokuthi uzama indlela zokuphuma vele you make the situation worse, yabo. That's what happens, guaranteed. It's a surefire thing, and by that time they know, the financial service providers, they know ukuthi vele awusacabanga straight. Abantu abakwi-survival mode abacabanga straight. Uyacabanga ke because it is said your mind, i-IQ yakho drops by 13 point, and that is equivalent to one night of not sleeping. Ngokuthi wena nje ufrustrated ngokuthi i-rent uzoyikhokha kanjani, ufrustrated ukuthi ingane ziyakweleta i-stationary, ufrustrated ukuthi imoto ayikhokheliwe. Lezo zinto lezo, those financial obligations, you stressing about those things, it makes your IQ to drop, intellectual quotient iya drop, and awubi umuntu ocabanga straight, and uzimbela umgodi even more kunokuthi unciphise, yabo. So ke kumele ukuthi ukwazi lokho ukuthi uma kuleso simo leso ama long term decisions into ekude nawe. Mana uyayibona lento ukuthi i-vicious cycle engapheli kodwa futhi espiralayo, that goes in spiral. Buka ngokuthi wena vele uya in a survival mode uthi how are you going to pay your bills, lokho kwenza ingqondo yakho ukuthi isilehe ukucabanga. Yes, ngokuthi isilehe ukucabanga, you are not going to be able to take ama long term proper financial decisions. Ungeke uzikwazi kwathatha. By you not being able to take the long term decisions that are favorable kuma finances akho, lokho kwenza ukuthi ungakwazi wakhe istep sesokukhipha lapho ukhona, but kukwenza ukuthi udige even more, uyabo. Shooting manje you are digging down, you are going down the rabbit hole because umqondo wakho awusekho kwi-state sokwazi ukuthi wakhe a ladder to go up, yabo. So i-advice yami ke, hayi, by the way, akuyona financial advice le, akusiyona financial advice le. By the way, yabo, mina i-meditation fethu ngiyayi-prefer, noku-accepta nje fethu ngiyaku-prefer. Yes, accepta fethu, accept. Kunabantu abangafuni ukuqala phansi la empilweni. Hey, afethu saqala thina phansi saqala nje kwaphinde kwaqaleka nje futhi yayizwa loo nto kwaqaleka nje futhi kamnandi yes thina we went through the hell when it comes to indaba zama finance because we had no financial lokungana personal financial information or education and we needed to start afresh and we saw ukuthi yabona kunesigaba la kufika khona ubone ukuthi la it's either ngiba better noma ngiyashona la kukabili uma ngisindile la I'll be a very better version of myself but if ungasindanga la it's the end of the story. That is where we come from and kumele ukuthi uvume ukuthi now iyaxaka lo moto kumele uvume ukuthi now iyaxaka lo phone uyaxaka lo muzi ziyaxaka lezo zinto start afresh qondo wakho ngeke usasebenza clear yabo by the time you start afresh iburden iyasuka inkinga ye working class ifuna ukumaintain istandard ngisho ibona ukuthi iyazidla your things are eating you alive but you want to maintain the standard at all cost yabona kumele uvume ngoba khona izinto emethu uyidedele yabo nento emethu uyidedele khona uzokwazi ukuqala phansi reset inqondo yakho ayisebenzi straight keep on taking loans and you think we are making the situation better but you are making the situation worse. You are going to the point of no return. You are not thinking straight. Accept the situation that is presented la kuwena vuma ziyaxaka lezi zinto usula ukhona nje manje. Acceptance is the first step towards the upward spiral of your consciousness. Accept. If you have to get rid of your car, get rid of it. If you have to get rid, just see, play around. Don't make the situation worse trying to maintain the standard that is very hard for you. Inkinga ye working class ke leyo ine pressure. Bona abantu abasafarisha the most labo ngoba kuzothiwana, uthisha. Umeli, uyini, we. Mark Tyson they were declared broke. Bekwazi ukwakha $300 million. Yes. But declare broke in 2003. But declare ukuthi those people bakwi financial crisis ba insolvent. Yabo? Ubani ke wena? Ubani? Yabo? Ngoba funda lapho kulokona lo maphutha lawo. Yabona bafethu is not easy la. Kwa finance hey bafethu ngiyakutshela mina. And mangabe so wenze mistake the hardest mistake of your life. Kwaze kwakubheda kwangcola igama lakho fana kusuka sekufana nokuthi wena une criminal record kwa financial sector ufana noma uyanuka nje kubona they don't want anything to do with you yabona ama financial service providers awana ndaba ukuthi unemali kangakanani awana ndaba nalokho anendaba ukuthi wena uzoba profitable kangakanani kubona that is why u35% welokhungana algorithm yakho ye credit check le yakho laba kuchecka khona yakhiwe ukuthi wena I credit history yakho injani yabo your payment history injani igama lakho 35% and omunye u30% uyakhiwe ukuthi iutilization wena usebenzisa kanjani like wena munikezwe I-credit card ka 20,000 usebenzisa 15,000 shoot wena desperate yabo iyakudenta igama lakho lapho yabo kodwa muzokwazi 20% ukhombisa ukuthi wena awuyincengile yabo ngobani babuka i-risk babuka ne-affordability yabo abana ndaba ukuthi wena ngisho nganama millions kodwa uma bengenayo ukuthi wena wakwakweleta wakhokhana and 15% is constituted ukuthi i-duration yama credits akho hlala isikhathi esinganani kodwa wena uma uzofika ukweleta into manje next day usuyikhokhela usuyiqedile hayi bakubona awukho profitable phela wena awukho profitable yabo and uma uqala ukusebenza ngathi bayakupha le mali bathi uqualifyela u100,000 uzobonga abadala uhambe uyoshisa impepho lapha kanti baba zizobuya lezo nduku uyobusuthi bakulahlile labo ubabonga ngoba sifundiswanga ngezimali azivula amehlo ethu la emalini